Hey guys, I just want to show you how to get into Flocabulary. Okay, I sent out the link a little while ago, maybe like a week or two ago. But if you don't have it, all you need to do is type flocabulary.com into your web browser, and then this page will appear. Okay, you're going to go into join a class. You don't have to click login and you don't have to click free trial. Click join a class. I also sent you guys the class code. If you don't have it, that's what it is, 2KPH64. That's all you need. Then you're going to click submit. And then you can pick, are you new to Flocabulary? You need to create an account, or do you already have an account? I'm going to click I'm new and I will log in, and you'll have to fill all this information out. Make a username, make it easy, or you could log in with Google. I would select this. Why? Because you can log in using your Google account, which is your email, first name, last two numbers of your lunch ID. That will be easier because you use it every day for the Chromebooks at school. Okay? So that might be a little bit easier. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. And then once you do all that, you will be logged in, okay? I hope that helps.